Welcome to the Rethinking Materials Innovation in Plastics and Packaging Virtual Summit. This video will show you how to best use the Virtual Summit platform. You'll be sent an email to log into the platform, which will come from noreply@swapcard.com. Click the Let's Get Started button to enter the platform. The first step is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. So a profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it is important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, and additional contact information, link social media accounts, and add information about your company. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you've updated your profile, head to the My Planner tab. Here is where you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you have received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting, and once you have accepted it, it will then be added to My Schedule. You can mark yourself unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. The unavailable slots will then no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Planner page is where you'll be able to see your chosen sessions and roundtables and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings, and we'll come to each of these in turn. Back on the home page, click on the Watch Live button. Here you are able to watch the live sessions and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timing is adapted to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, ask questions to speakers, and answer any polls. Sponsors and speaker profiles are linked to the relevant sessions below. To see the whole schedule, click the Agenda button. On the left, you can see you can apply filters and search for either plenary sessions or specific networking sessions, and below shows you sessions that you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personalised schedule, click either the plus icon or click within the session itself and click Register. You will then find these sessions saved in My Planner, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, you can then watch them live by clicking on the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button from the home page. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. You can also continue to message speakers, exhibitors, and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit for this month afterwards. For networking, click on the Book One-to-One Meetings button. Here you'll see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list AI matches. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, company, or country. To connect with someone, click on their profile and click Send them a connection request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you have connected with that person, you can then also send them private messages, and these connections are shown in My Planner, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting on an attendee's profile, click on the profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile to view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, add a message and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the other attendee's profile and under My Planner, My Meetings. You can also export this to your computer's calendar using the button on the right-hand side. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you will need to cancel it and rebook the meeting at a different time. Heading back to the home page, let's now look at the Roundtables button. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people, where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to brainstorm solutions, share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest, and network. On this page, you will see a list of all of the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the host. To register for your selected roundtable, just add the session to your agenda, and it will appear in your schedule under My Planner. When it is time for a roundtable to take place, just open the roundtable session that you have registered for and click on a link that will be added to the description, which will then take you to the live roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone at the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Clicking now on the exhibition button, you'll see a list of all partners displayed, each with having their own virtual exhibition booth. They share information, links, and documents. The sessions that partners are taking part in are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side and also book a meeting in the same way that you would do with an attendee. At the top, you can bookmark the booths, which will then be linked under My Planner, My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representatives are also linked to their exhibition booth, and clicking on their names will direct you to their individual profiles. The Startups page also shows information on the startup companies that are featured across the summit, and the Networking Sessions tab makes it easy to find the networking sessions that are taking place across the 2 days. Finally, let's head back to the My Planner tab. You can see here the sessions and the roundtable that I have registered for are now shown in my schedule, as well as my confirmed one-to-one meetings. You can export your whole schedule to your personal calendar and as a PDF using the buttons on the right-hand side. Don't forget to keep checking My Meetings throughout the summit to accept and decline any incoming meeting requests and monitor the requests that you've sent. My Networking shows the information of the connection requests that have been accepted, and My Bookmark Companies shows the information of the virtual booths that you have bookmarked. At the end of the event, you can download these all in a single PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.